How to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily see someone's recent follower on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Instagram app. Now go to the profile of which you want to see recent followers and tap here on followers, and here you will see their followers. So this is how you can see someone's recent followers on your Instagram. Thanks for watching.